Good morning. Today is March 10. Oh, I'm sorry. April 10, 2024. Right now, I'm just getting off from my SUV and I want to meet a friend of mine. His name is Danny. Danny Pahi. He was my co-worker when I was in the Marine Corps. We will eat breakfast at Hyatt. Good morning.
Hello.
Morning. Okay, right now I'm heading to Seafood City and by Pandesal. Okay. Porky's Lechon, Nails and Kim, Zion's Salon. This is Chinese food. Golden Chopsticks. It's closed right now. It's open at 10 o'clock. And this is Peridot Jewelry and Watch Repair. LBC, door to door, open. LBC and Goldilocks. Goldilocks, the best cake. And this is Putzpa. And this is Asian comfort food, Chow Chow. This is Seafood City, Manila. Around 360 degrees of Seafood City. Good morning. To buy pandesal. These are all pandesal. I don't know how long, if this is fresh or not. Kulubot. There's pandesal. There's moshi. Meron silang hot pandesal, no? Well, I won't buy any pandesal right now because everything is not fresh. Pandesal is not fresh, so I have to leave. Let's see Jose Rizal. This is Jose Rizal. Okay. Jose Rizal is statue of Jose Rizal, one of the national next to National Hero of the Philippines. Yeah. Morning ho, morning. This is Goldilocks. Open at what time? 10 o'clock. I'm doing a short walk at one of the shopping area here in National City, located at Plaza Boulevard. Here we go. Hair Salon, Zion Barber Shop. I'm gonna open my bag. Shoulder bag. Go. Parking only, minimum fine 250 for parking illegally in the handicap park, but mine is parking. Parking for handicap. Koyu sushi, all you can eat sushi. All you can eat sushi. Koi sushi, all you can eat sushi. This is Hawaiian chicken katsu, Hawaiian seafood combo, Oahu lumpia, Pili Boom, Loco Moco, Hawaiian barbecue, Chana Box, located at Kimchi Hawaiian Island Barbecue. If you are a smoker, you can come here at Hookah CBD Cigar, Craton Bay 4 open. Okay, I will turn off and while waiting for my friend. See you later.